Hi guys, did you know parents spent over 2.5 billion on kids book on Amazon last year? You can see on my screen. Today I'm talking about an amazing product, Dreamforce AI. This AI tool that writes and illustrates kids book. Okay, animate them for your YouTube Kids channel and auto publish to Amazon Kindle. Okay, you can do everything on single platform. You don't require writing skill, drawing skill, illustration skill. Okay, now let's talk about what you get in this AI tool. Tool come with these features you can see on my screen. The first is story builder. Okay, so you can generate complete multi-page kit stories with AI across various categories, including bedtime, adventure, educational, moral, holiday, and personalized theme. Okay. The second features AI illustration engine. So you create consistent AI illustration with the same character appearing across every page. You don't need drawing skill, illustrator, or expensive illustration fees required. Okay, you can use this tool. Third is AI narration. Turn your kids book into a narrated audiobook with AI voices and natural storytelling. Okay, the third amazing feature, video animation. Turn the same kids book into engaging video for YouTube Kids, Shorts, Reels, TikTok, just one few click. Okay, and the best part, I really like it, Kindle Direct Publishing. When your book is ready, Dreamforce AI generates the file you need for both paperback and Kindle, along with the cover, formatting, description, and keyword suggestion, all in one workflow. You can direct publish your book on Amazon. Okay, so the best part is that one single story you can repurpose into multiple income opportunities, from Amazon paperback and Kindle ebooks to YouTube kids videos, shorts, reels, audiobooks, coloring and activity books, and even personalized kids book services. Okay, so now let's see how all these powerful features actually work inside Dreamforce AI.
Creating children's content used to take days. Writing, designing, narrating, and editing. Now, you can do it in minutes with Dreamforge AI. Dreamforge AI is built for creators, digital marketers, teachers, and parents who want to produce engaging kids' stories fast. Whether you're creating educational content, social media assets, or storybook for publishing, this platform gives you everything in one seamless flow. Type in your login details, and let's jump inside. This is the dashboard. Here, we can see our current plan, available credits, and story projects. Everything is designed to help us start creating quickly, without confusion. Now, let's create a story. We'll head over to the story page. Very simple. Click on New Story. Here, we have two different creation flows depending on access. Manual Prompt and From Template. With Manual Prompt, we fill out the fields based on what we need. And with From Template, we have access to hundreds of ready-made templates to choose from. Inside the Manual Prompt, we have the title field, where we enter the story title or topic. Then the topic/prompt field, where we describe what the story should be about. We can also set the lesson type, age group, number of pages, and illustration style. Below that, we have optional features, including quizzes, narration, and page video. Simply toggle on any features we want to include, or turn them off if not needed. Then click on Generate Story. That's how to set up the Manual Prompt. But for this demo, we'll use a template. Let's head over to From Template. Select any template, then toggle the Include Voice Narration button, and click on Generate Story. Now, let's sit back while it generates. Once it's ready, we can preview the book. Here, we have Review and Edit Story Text. This shows the full story content, allowing us to edit, delete, or regenerate text. As you can see, everything is organized page by page. We also have illustrations for generating images. narration, TTS, for audio generation, and page video for AI-powered video scenes. Below that, we have advanced options. We can change the illustration style, for example, switching to 3D, cartoon, or flat vector styles. We can also select the voice type under narration voice. Once everything is set, click on Continue Generate Media, and everything is created in minutes. Once the book is fully generated, we get a flipbook experience that's visually engaging. Let's open and flip through it. Right here, we have the full preview of the final book, along with additional settings. We can enable or disable narration audio, control quiz playback, and explore other customization options. DreamForge AI automatically generates quizzes that match the story. But if we want something more tailored, we can edit them here and click Save Quiz. Notice the structure of this story. After each page, there's a quiz, making the experience interactive and engaging for kids and readers. From here, we can also generate video content. Click the video icon at the top of the image. Let's see how it works. Here's how the generated video plays. We can switch back to the image view if needed. Now, let's play the video and watch the smooth animations. If we want to share the storybook, click on Share. Here, we get a public reader link. Enable public access to share the book with anyone via the link. We can also share directly across different platforms, seamlessly. We also have a publishing workflow. We can export directly to KDP, making the content ready for Amazon Publishing. Click on Sell on Amazon. Complete the settings. Then click to export as an Amazon KDP zip file, or open Amazon KDP directly from here. From there, we can publish immediately. If we want to create kids' content faster, publish consistently, and turn ideas into finished stories, DreamForge AI is built for us. Start with the basics, upgrade as we grow, and scale production with confidence.
So guys, my final opinion is this. If you're serious about making money by publishing kids book on Amazon Kindle, but you have zero experience, don't know how to write books, don't know how to illustration, or have no design skill at all, then this AI tool can be great option for you. The biggest problem is that if you are hire a professional illustrator on Fiverr, it can easily cost $50 to $200 per page, depending on their experience. Okay, because of this high costs, many beginners never publish their first book. But this AI tool make the entire process much easier. Okay, by bringing everything together in one platform, you can generate your book, create illustration, and get your ebook ready for publishing, even if you are complete beginner. The best part is that you can just $14, okay, and it also come with 30 days money back guarantee. You can try it completely risk free. If you decide this tool is right for you, make sure to use this link in my description. When you purchase through my link, you will pay the same price as on the official website, but you also receive all my exclusive bonuses absolutely free without any extra cost. Okay, you can see here what you will get, what will you get in my bonuses. If you purchase through my link, you will pay the exact same price as on the official website. No extra cost at all. Plus, you will get exclusive bonus resources from me for free to help you get even more value from your purchase. Okay, and you get bonus 1, Faceless YouTube Blueprint. I generate every month $1,000 as a passive income from YouTube. Okay, I watched countless YouTube videos and even bought courses, but none of them work for me. After a lot of testing, I finally found a strategy that works. In this bonus, I will show you the exact step-by-step system I used to build uh, a faceless YouTube channel that generate passive income every month. You get this bonus number 1. So guys, now let's talk about bonus number 2. Pinterest marketing guide. Pinterest is one of the most underrated traffic sources for affiliate marketing. Most people completely ignore it, okay? But this platform has huge potential for getting free organic traffic. In this bonus, I will share the exact Pinterest strategy that helped me generate around 1 million monthly impression and earn around $1,000 per month through organic affiliate marketing. I will show you how to find the right keyword, create high converting pins, optimize your account, and build a system that keeps bringing free traffic month after month. If you purchase through my link, affiliate link, you will get this Pinterest marketing guide as a bonus. So bonus number 3, Instagram marketing guide. Okay, so guys, let's talk about bonus number 3, Instagram marketing guide. With just one Instagram page, I generate around $500 to $1,000 per month through ClickBank affiliate marketing using organic traffic. Okay, so in this bonus, I will show you the complete step-by-step strategy, including how to choose a profitable niche, what type of reels to create, what content to post, how to stay consistent, and how to pick the right affiliate product that actually convert. Okay, you will learn how to build an Instagram page that brings in traffic and has the potential to generate passive affiliate income month after month. If you are purchased through my link, you get all these bonus my side. So guys, let's move bonus number 4. Bonus number 4, 100 plus AI marketing tool directory. You can see on my screen. If you are a content creator, affiliate marketer, doing SEO, email marketing, graphic designing, automation, any kind of online business, this bonus will save your lot of time. Okay, instead of searching for the best AI tool one by one, I have already collected 100 plus powerful AI marketing tool in one place. This tool will help you create content faster, design better graphics. If you want to save time, grow faster, and boost your marketing results, this bonus is definitely for you. And the best part, you get this bonus absolutely free without paying any extra cost. You will pay the exact same price as on the official website, but when you purchase through my link, you will receive this bonus completely free from my side. Now if we combine the value of all these bonuses, the total price is $197. Okay, but today you can get everything absolutely free with your purchase through my link at no extra cost.